So the plan is, it's really easy to tie everything together on a dirt bike. But on a pedal bike, it's a little bit trickier. And since our property goes for a long ways that way, straight down that way, all the way from there, all the way, we have to figure out how to tie everything together so we can have one good long run for mountain bikes. It's easier said than done. All right, so I finally got Luke convinced to changing the jumps up a little bit. He originally made these for his bike, and then we started playing around with them on pit bikes and dirt bikes, and now we're going to change them up to make them kind of in the middle, where we can have a little bit of fun on dirt bikes and fun on mountain bikes and stuff like that. So, nice little set of scooter bars in progress right here. Gotta love the paint splatter. Don't go yet. All right, Jack's going to be the first one to go on the new run state. Don't go yet, Jack.
Okay.
You can see Jack's serious business here. He means business.
Scared.
He's kind of scared. His brothers are making it. What now?
But you are the older train a bit.
It's done it before, but they've changed it. Hold on. I'll tell you when to come, all right?
Okay.
Hang tight.
Why do that?
So Jack skid on the jump for some reason, so he's got to fix it because it can't be damaging the jumps. That was a test run, and he was really scared for some reason.
right. They've got it prepped pretty well. Trying to work fast before it rains. But reshaped this jump a good bit. Got pretty rough. We did the berm. Touched that one up a little bit. Jack, what do you think? How do you think he's gonna do?
Good.
We'll see. How do you think it's gonna run now? Slow. Yeah, I mean, well, you're not hitting the drop, so it's gonna go a lot slower anyway. How do you think it's gonna run though? What you think?
Why'd you stop like that? We'll go off and go down and...
Your pedals level.
Don't skid, pedal and go.
Keep them flat. Don't follow me this time.
Pedal, Jack, go faster.
And I went really slow.
All right, so we're gonna do a bunch of more videos of us making trails and of us riding on the trails and stuff like that. If you guys like that sort of stuff, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned to see more stuff like that. We really appreciate it. And also, we're gonna be doing a bunch of maintenance on this berm here in an upcoming video. So stay tuned. Look for that in the future. This is a really fun little feature we have. It's a little rocky at the moment. Let me try to pan around this way. You come in down here like this, you can get a bunch of speed, come around, got a nice curve, loop you around, and then over there, let me zoom a little bit, right about there, after you come down this straightaway here, hit that little tabletop. You can see after all these hard rains we've had, without us really riding too much, it's super rocky right now. All the rocks come to the surface. We call the Banshee the trail clearer because you ride that a few laps around and the trails are completely clear. And here you can see the berm pretty nice from this angle. Future video. Part about living in the country, you never know what you're gonna find. Let me see, where is it? That's hilarious.
Jack.
So they were just lining up, getting ready to do a run. Jack, who spotted it? You or Luke?
Holy shit, I got it.
Oh, cool. That's awesome.
I think I caught it.
That's awesome. So right now he's just screwing around, but eventually this will all be tied together like I mentioned before. I can't wait. Here comes Luke.